Myself JYOTHI.I.S, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, DAVANGERE. It's a class for 7th standard students, CBSE NCERT, and also for the Karnataka state students. In that the chapter 1 integers exercise 1.2 in that the first line. Write the pair of integers whose sum is -7. We have to write a pair of integers whose sum should be -7. That may be if you take any negative integers or one may positive or negative integer, like that we can take. For example, sum is -7. Let us take two negative integers for this. That is equals to -4 and plus of -4 and plus of -3. Okay, -4, -3. Understood? -4 or plus of -3 is nothing but -4 -3 is -7. Like this, you can take any integers. If you take one more example for this is -7, you should come. If you write a pair of integers whose sum should be, for example, if you add -10 plus 3, isn't it? Here also, if you add these two numbers, here also you will get -7, isn't it? Like this, any number you can take, any like terms like integers or positive integers or negative integers. Okay, or like that, any number you may write. In other words, you can write -17, isn't it, plus 7, that is also plus 10, -17 and plus 7. If you write, you will get plus 10, you will get -7. Like this, any answer you can write. Okay, now the difference is -10. To find the difference, we should take one is positive and another one is negative. Look at the sign of the answer, that is minus. The greater number should be always the minus. So if you want to get -10, that is right, -10 minus of plus 7. Okay, -17 minus of plus 7, that is equals to -17 minus of -7 is equals to -17 plus of 7 is equals to -10. In other words, we can take the difference is -10, isn't it? Take this -15 minus of -5, isn't it? That is also -15 plus 5 is equals to -10. Understood? Next, the sum is 0. If you add any number, that is equals to 0. For example, for 100, the sum is for -100. If we add plus 100, that is equals to 0. Isn't it? Like that, for -50, if we add plus 50, that is equals to 0. Otherwise, if you take negative plus 1 in the starting, that is plus 25. If you add -25, that is also equal to 0. Understood? You can make any pair of numbers which may be positive or negative, negative or positive, or negative or negative. Like this you can make. Next, write a pair of negative integers. Here they are mentioned only the negative integers whose difference gives 8. We have to write the pair of negative integers whose difference makes 8. Therefore, the greater number should be, we have to take pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Okay, here we should take two negative integers. Therefore, for example, if you take -8, the difference they have asked, write minus. Therefore, to get 18 minus 8 is 10 only. That is equals to 16, isn't it? A minus 8 minus of minus 16 is equals to minus 8 plus 16 is equals to plus 8. Understood? Here, in another way, to get plus 8, we can write. Here I am taking minus 20. Isn't it? Minus 20. No, it will not come. This will be the greater number. Here it should be a lesser number. Negative should be less number. Like that. Minus 12 minus of minus 20. Okay. 20 minus 12, we know that 8. That's why we are taking minus 12 minus of minus 20. That will be equal to minus 12 minus into minus plus 20. That is equals to 8. Like this, you can make the set of integers to get the numbers. Any number. Maybe you can take this or take the any numbers you can take. Like write a negative integer. One should be negative and another should be positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Answer is a minus. Therefore, what should we are doing? One positive and one negative. Therefore, the negative is the greater number. That is equals to minus 15. Here what we are doing? Negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is equals to plus 5 minus 15 plus 5 is equals to minus 15 plus 10 is equals to minus 5. Isn't it? Like this you can do. In other words, minus 25 plus 20 is equals to minus 5. Okay, I think you hope understand. I am going to give one more example. One should be positive and another should be negative. Here we should take the negative number in the first. That should be the greater number. Minus 5, that is equals to minus 20 plus 15 is equals to minus 5. Any number, any example you can write. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Here we have to take the difference. Minus 3 is given. Therefore, take minus 3, isn't it? Minus 10. Therefore, minus of minus 7. What we have to take? Write a negative integer, one negative integer, another positive integer whose difference, that is minus 10, minus 7, it will not come. Therefore, take the smallest numbers. One negative and a positive integer whose difference that is equals to minus 7, a negative integer and a positive integer plus whose difference, isn't it? Minus of a positive integer. Where minus means minus will become minus 7 minus 3. What it will comes here? Negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 7. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4. If you take 7 minus of minus 4. Here one positive integer, one negative integer, that will also become plus, isn't it? 7 plus 4, and let us try for another 10 minus 10. Here we can take whose difference, isn't it? Minus 10 and minus of plus 3. Minus and plus is equals to this. Again minus 30. Here let us try for another. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. That is positive integer and minus of minus 3. Here also it will become, student, it is empty. What it will become? Which number should come here? Minus 8 and plus 7 is equals to, here we can write minus 8 and plus 5, that is equals to minus 3, like that minus 10 plus 7 is equals to minus 3. Here we can write. Let us move on to the next question, the third main. The third main in a quiz team is called third method question in a quiz team A scored minus 40 plus 10 and 0, and team B scored (10, 0, minus 40) in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Okay, the quiz competition team A scored. Scores of team A. Total score. Score of team A is equals to minus 40 plus 10 plus 0 is equals to minus 30. Isn't it? Minus 40 is there, 10 is there, therefore minus 30. Total score of team B is equals to 10 plus 0 minus 40. Here also the order of addition is different. Therefore, according to the associative property, both are equal. Therefore, they get equal scores. Therefore, team A, score of team A is equals to scores of team A is equals to score of team B. Okay, understood? Next, fill in the blanks, make the following statement true. Fill in the blanks. Fourth line, fill in the blanks. Minus 5 plus of minus 8. Minus 5 plus of minus 8 is equals to minus 8 of plus of dash. Second one, minus 53 plus of dash is equals to dash. Third one 17 plus dash is equals to 0. Next one 13 plus of minus 12 plus of minus 7 is equals to 13 plus of minus 12 plus of minus 7. Okay. And fifth one minus 4 plus of minus 15 plus of minus 3 is equals to minus 4 plus 15 plus of dash. Here we have to write. First one minus 5 plus minus 8 is there. In here minus 8 is there. Here we have to fill up the number which is not existed. This one is the commutative property of addition is used. Isn't it? Commutative property of addition. Okay. Here minus 53 plus dash is equals to 0 is given, I think. Here is equals to minus 53. If you add any integer to this number, we will get the same integer, that is 0. If you add 0 to this, we will get the same, that is equals to additive identity. Additive identity is what? 0. For 17, if you add any number, that is equals to 0. Here we have to add the additive inverse. For plus 17, the additive inverse is minus 17. Here write the reason. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Here we use this property. Now for plus 17 minus 17 is the additive inverse. And here 13 minus 12 and minus 7 is given. Here 13 is given, minus 12 and minus, which one is not present? Here this one is not present. Here dash is given. Here you have to fill up this. According to the associative property, here 3 digits are used. 13 and minus 12 are here. 13 and minus 12 are here. The remaining number is minus 7. Okay. And here minus 4, big bracket of 15 plus minus 3 is there. That is equals to minus 4 of 15 and minus 4 plus minus 3 we have to write. Minus 4 plus of minus 3. Understood? I hope you enjoyed the class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching my class.